SolidWorks Electrical Schematic has some great new enhancements to help you be more productive. The Project Manager now lets you filter projects to make it easier to find the one you need to work on. Single line diagrams can now be combined with multi-line schematics. Now all this information can be displayed in a single drawing so users do not have to switch between drawings. When creating location outlines, you now have the option to move all the symbols inside the outline to the actual location. This will eliminate errors and save time in having to manually define the locations. Finding components that you need to work on was challenging when working on complex projects. You can now search for components and go directly to them. You can search by mark and find all the different representations of the part. You can also search from the component list using description, mark, location, class, or a combination of the properties. In some cases, you might want to hide components. The new Wipeout tool allows you to hide everything inside a closed shape. We could always copy and paste circuits. Now we can paste special. This gives us the ability to reuse marks. In this case, I will reuse the X1 terminal strip mark, but create new marks for the individual terminals. The new bump symbol will create arcs for when you have wires crossing wires. SolidWorks electrical schematic now has what is called passive symbols, like this twisted ground shield, that have no electrical characteristics. These symbols are stored in a library so that you can use them in any project. Wire labels and equipotential labels are now just a right mouse away. You can customize these symbols through the project settings options. The same holds true for cross-reference symbols, which are perfect to quickly determine if all the contacts on a specific contactor are used. You can now edit the cross-reference to customize them as well as change the colors used. The power circuit has a couple of three-phase motors that are connected to terminal strips in the electrical panel using 4-core cables. I will open the cable manager to add some. We can manually modify some properties. The length can be manually entered here if the cable is not routed in SolidWorks or it is automatically calculated. Bend radius, voltage drops are provided by the manufacturer but can be manually entered here if they are missing. You can define the applied voltage, full load current, and inrush factor. These values depend on the circuit load. With the cables properly added to our project, we can associate them to lines in our schematic. The new Design Rules Check tool lets us investigate your system for design errors. Using the properties we just added, we can instantly know the voltage drop for the cable. Additional checks can be added for unused cables, empty terminal strips, and wires without marks. This new tool can find and eliminate costly mistakes. Finally, sharing information between people is easier with the published to e-drawings. All the documents in your project can be grouped into a single e-drawing file. You can now visit SolidWorks Electrical Web Portal to find and download 3D models of your electrical components. Detailed information such as part number, manufacturer, number of contacts, or maximum current are available in addition to the part's 3D picture to help you make sure you are choosing the correct component. Simply download each item or add them to your basket to download all at once. Thanks to the new enhancements, SolidWorks Electrical Schematic allows you to design your electrical systems faster and better.